Hi, this is Mike and welcome to Beachhouse Surfboard Repair. I wanted to share a little bit about fillers today. I get a lot of questions, so here's what I know. I use two types of fillers. One is Cabosil. Cabosil is a thickening agent. It does not add volume. The others, microballoon, Silcell, Qcell, are all very similar products, different formulas, different manufacturers, but they all do the same thing. They add volume. So let me show you a little sample here. This is microballoons mixed with 1 ounce of resin until it's the thickness of peanut butter. And if you look at this, it's about 4 times the volume of that original 1 ounce, maybe 3. If you look at Cabosil, same thing, thickness of peanut butter. If I take all of this out, it's completely translucent and transparent, and it really didn't change in volume from that original ounce. So I personally never use these separately, or seldomly use these separately, except in interesting circumstances. I always use them together to form a fill that more mimics the actual transparency, translucency of the surfboard glass. And just so it's known, I only use it as a top cover, and I rarely use it to actually fill something. Anything big that's going to add weight, I always use foam first. So just a quick example of every day I come in and I create a basically a base filler. I use a 12-ounce cup, and to that 12-ounce cup I add, this is a 3-ounce cup, I add just a half a cup of microballoons, and then I add 2 3-ounce cups of Cabosil. And when you mix those together, you get this nice, buttery, creamy filler. And the good thing about this is I use UV resin. I can keep it in that cupboard all day long. And when I want to fill something, and I'll fill this nose here, I just pull it out of the cupboard, fill it up. Another trick about filler that I use all the time is this wax paper. I really don't need it here, but I'll show you anyway. Like if you're doing a rail, you can just use the wax paper and make it conform to the shape you want it to be in. And if your filler's a little bit runnier, then you can keep it from leaking out of the fill. So that's basically it. Come back again, I got some more stuff coming.